Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix real estate valuation with Zillow Home Value. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Zillow's homepage. In the search bar, enter the address of the property you want to evaluate. Press the Enter key to access the property page. On the property page, locate the home value estimate displayed prominently. Take note of this estimate, as it serves as a starting point. Scroll down to find the section titled Zestimate. This section provides the property's estimated market value. Review the details below the Zestimate for more insights. Look for the Price History feature to understand previous sale prices. Analyze the recent sales in the neighborhood to compare prices. Navigate to the Neighborhood section to assess local market trends. Look at the local market insights for broader area information. Examine nearby listings for additional context on property values. Once you gather this data, consider the condition of the specific property. Assess any unique features or upgrades that might influence its value. If you find discrepancies, you can calculate adjustments accordingly. Use the forums or contact local real estate agents for expert insights. When ready, collect all the information to reassess the property value. You're now prepared to make informed pricing decisions based on comprehensive data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.